Okay, let's talk a little bit more, and then we're going to work on lab 8. So, the endosteum is the point where, you know, if we're looking to the inner portion at the spongy bone, well, the spongy bone has to have the ability to maintain and have access to its cells and so forth. So the endosteum is the wrapping inside the bone that allows for that. So if we look at the anatomy of the long bone, anytime you hear any of these terms, those should be associated directly with a long bone. All right, so as we go through talking and studying and learning about the bones and the ones in the bone box and that sort of thing, hopefully you'll get used to a lot of these terms and just begin to use them. Now, the structure of flat, short, and irregular bones. The flat bones, like I was showing earlier with the skull case, all right, it's just, you know, like the name implies, it looks like two sheets of the compact bone that are just, you know, wrapping or sandwiching the spongy bone. So if we think about our skull, okay, we have lots of flat bones that are present. We think about the ribs, a lot of flat bones that are present. All right, hips, there's some flat to it that's present with the hips. The short bones, once again, when we begin to look at what we consider the short bones of the body, irregular bone, we're still going to find that there's compact bone surrounding the spongy, but once again, no epiphyses, no diaphyses, nothing elongated, okay, that's going to be present. One of the things that we're going to find in the bones that becomes important as a term to know is the term sinuses. A sinus lets us know that there's a hole present, okay, some kind of deepening hole. Now, in the skull, what we're going to find is the bones that have these sinuses, they're lined with the mucous membranes because they are reaching the exterior of the body. Does that make sense? All right, because anytime we have a mucous membrane present, that's telling us we have something that's reaching the exterior environment. Okay, so in the skull, sinuses are going to be representative of these really cool holes and cavities that are going to be present. I don't want to start this today. Okay, so this will be stopping point for